Hello student, how are you? Hope you all are enjoying your holidays. So today me Disha Tripathi is with you again with the chapter number 1 sentences. Yesterday we talked about the sentences, phrases, subject and predicate, and today we will discuss about kinds of sentences. So students, first of all we discuss about the kinds of sentences. First sentence is assertive or declarative sentences. Assertive or declarative sentences are also called statements. Now, what are assertive and declarative sentences? Listen, something that state or declare something. That state or declare something is called assertive or declarative sentence. It means वो sentences जो किसी भी चीज के बारे में हमें कुछ बताते हैं या कोई भी चीज declare करते हैं, जो simple sentences होते हैं वो कहलाते हैं assertive और declarative sentences. Sentences that state or declare something are called assertive sentences. Now, assertive sentences or declarative sentences are divided into two kinds of sentences. First of all, affirmative or positive assertive sentences, and another one is negative assertive sentences. So, affirmative or positive means, as the name indicates, that the sentences that makes positive sense are called affirmative or positive sentences. Let us take an example. He has gone to school. Here something is declared, he has gone to school. वो school जाता है, एक simple से statement है वो बताई गई है, and here positive sense is declared. Now take us we can discuss about the negative assertive sentence. That let us take an example which gives the negative sense are come under the negative assertive sentences. He has not gone to school. So here not is used, it means negative sense. Negative assertive or declarative sentence makes the negative sense, and affirmative or positive senses make the positive sense of the sentence. So this is the assertive declarative sentences. This is very simple one. Next, imperative sentences. So as we all of you know, what are the imperative sentences? Imperative sentences that talk about request, order, advice, command, suggestions. All these are come under the imperative sentences. All kinds of request, order, advice, suggestion, commands are come under the imperative sentences. For example, if we say that we can take a simple example. Please give me a pen. So here please is used. It indicates the request. So this sentence come under the imperative sentence. Go away. Go away is a simple imperative sentence because this is a order or command. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Open the door. This is also a command. So all this, you can take this tablet twice a day. This is an advice or suggestion. So all these sentences come under the imperative sentence. Now imperative sentence, imperative sentences, the structure of the imperative sentences were command, take the, advice, all this. Now come to the next one, that is interrogative sentences. Now all of we know what are the interrogative sentences that ask questions. Sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Okay, and the interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence के लास्ट में हमेशा क्या आता है, एक question mark आता है. So interrogative sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. For example, are you Mr. Sharma? Are you going to Jaipur? And what are you looking for? What is your name? All these are the interrogative sentences. Almost all the interrogative sentence starts with the WH word, mostly. Not every, mostly, like what, who, whom, where. All these come under the interrogative sentence. जो interrogative sentences है वो ये इन सारे उसमें आते हैं. Now interrogative sentence divided into two, yes or no questions and WH questions. WH questions, those questions that start with WH word, like what, where, when, who, whom. all these are WH word. So इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एक तो वो होते हैं जो WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं और दूसरे होते हैं जिनका आंसर यस या नो में होता है. जैसे आर यू गोइंग टू जयपुर? नो, आई एम नॉट. तो नो इसका आंसर है. तो इस तरह से दो तरह के इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं, यस और नो क्वेश्चन और WH वर्ड क्वेश्चंस. Now structure of the interrogative sentence is given here: auxiliary verb, then subject and the remaining sentences. Interrogative pronoun like who, whom, whose and are also used to ask questions. Yes, we discussed this thing. Interrogative pronoun who is used as a subject and whom refers to object. What and which are also interrogative pronoun. Now what, which is used when we ask about thing. When we ask about thing, then we use which. Now we discuss about the last exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory sentence help us to communicate our strong feelings of surprise or shock or admiration or appreciation. Okay, exclamatory sentences क्या बताते हैं? They shows the strong feeling of surprise. किसी की बहुत तारीफ करनी हो, अचानक से आश्चर्य की कोई बात हो, सडनली कोई चीज होती है, तो वो सारे किस में आते हैं? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. वे एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस ऑलवेज एंड्स विद द एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन. हियर गिव एन एग्जांपल: व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल sight, what a beautiful sight. So this is a exclamatory sentence. Okay, we can take many other examples like what a beautiful baby he is. So what a beautiful, it shows a surprise, our entire feeling, our strong feeling of happiness. What a beautiful sight, it show her exclamation. So these are called exclamatory sentences. Now we can discuss about all the four kinds of this sentences. First, assertive or declarative. They are of two kinds: affirmative or positive and negative. Next one is imperative sentence that talks about the request, advice, order or command. All these come under the imperative sentence. Now interrogative sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Exclamatory sentences that shows the strong feeling of surprise, shock, admiration, appreciation, all these are come under the exclamatory sentences. So students, in this chapter we just revise all the topics. In this chapter we discuss, first of all we discuss about sentence. Sentence is a group of words, okay, that completes its meaning by itself. And phrase is also a group of words, but it does not complete its complete sense. Okay. Now sentence always begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop, either question mark, either exclamation marks. These are the features of sentences. Now then comes the part of sentences, subject and predicate. Okay, subject and predicate के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था. सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? जिसके बारे में सेंटेंस में बात की जा रही है या जिसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है, दैट पार्ट इज द सब्जेक्ट. एंड प्रेडिकेट, सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो चीज बताता है वो कहलाता है प्रेडिकेट. जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें कोई जानकारी देता है वो पार्ट हमें कहलाता है प्रेडिकेट. ओके, देन कम्स these sentences, affirmative kinds of sentences: assertive, affirmative, negative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. So this is the end of your chapter. Hope you will understand and thank you very much.